Yeah.
A draw, deserved?
I think so. You know, obviously it was always going to be a game where, you know, they had a lot of possession, and they did. You know, they've got an amazing team that keep the ball very well, but I think in the first half, especially in the first 10 minutes, we had a few very good chances, and then, you know, if we'd have put one of those away, it might have been different, but then obviously they got their goal. And then it was, you know, an uphill battle, but, you know, I think we deserve the draw tonight.
You've had some special nights, but what did it mean to start? When you got the call to start, what were you thinking?
Obviously very happy. You know, the manager's always shown a lot of confidence in me in games, and especially, you know, big moments. And, you know, tonight was a big moment for the club, and I was happy to start. But, you know, I'm happy that we got the draw in the end.
The last time you played Champions League football, you were playing for England as well. How do you compare your level now to when you were at Milan?
Pretty much the same. You know, it was only 3 years ago, so I'm pretty much at the same level. So, you know, I'm enjoying being obviously part of these nights again. You know, they're very special. I saw Roy out there. I didn't get a chance to say hello to him, but you know, he's been part of some special nights that I've been part of as well. And you know, they don't get better than these tonight.
So 2-2. How do you rate the tie now?
You know, obviously it's better than it was at 2-1. So you know, we go to there. It's going to be difficult, but there's no reason why we can't go there and get a result.
And there may be no Messi.
We'll see. You know, I hope he's not injured. You know, we all hope he's, you know, he's fit and ready to go for any game that's coming up. But you know, we wish him better.
And another year's contract is coming your way, apparently, according to the president. You ready to go for another year, let alone another few weeks?
Let's wait and see. Let's recover from this game tonight, and then enjoy the rest of the season.
Thanks for joining us. Well played.
Thanks.